So yeah, we have simultaneous equation here. The equation 1 is 4 over a minus 5 over b equals 4 whole number 1 over 2. Now if you see any equation of this form, so see this pattern, this equation is the same thing as 4 brackets 1 over a. So this 4 over a is the same thing as 4 bracket this, because 4 over a is the same thing as 4 over 1 times 1 over a. It's the same as this, so which is the same thing as 4 times 1 over a. So I'll just use this technique to solve the question. So now the second one, minus 5 brackets 1 over b, so equals to 4 times 2 8. Change this one to improper fraction. 4 times 2 8 plus 1 9 over 2, that is 4 times 2 8 plus 1 9, so 9 over 2. So from here you can now say let 1 over a, let it be x, and 1 over b, let it be y. You can use it as any number you like. That means the equation becomes 4s minus 5y is equals to 9 over 2. That is, all this one I have represented as x, then the second one I've represented as y. So that means 4s minus 5y is equals 9 over 2. So now multiply everything by 2 to remove that LCM. So this will be 8s minus 10y is equals to 9. That is 4 times 2 8, 2 times 5 10. So 9 over 2 times 2, it will remain 9, as in like that. So this is my new equation now. So this is, let me call this my equation 1. So I'll do the same thing for this second equation here. So I'll call this equation 1. So now for the second equation, I'll do the same thing. 6 over a minus 2 over b is equals to 4. So this is the same thing as 6 brackets 1 over a minus 2 brackets 1 over b is equals to 4. Now we have said let 1 over a to be s and 1 over b to be y. That means this will become 6s minus 2y is equals to 4. So this is equation 2. So I'll combine both equations now. So I'm calling this equation 2. So I have my simultaneous in linear form now. So use elimination method. So to use elimination method, you have to make the coefficients the same. So but this second equation, something can go in all 2. It's better we reduce the equation. This will be 3s, as in 2 here 3, 2 here y, so it's equals to 2 here 2. So this is now equation 2. And from this equation 2, it will be easier to use substitution method now, or if it's still elimination, any method you like we can use, but it's good to reduce the equation. So from here now, I can say I can multiply this equation by 10 so that I will achieve 10 here. So now multiply equation 2 by 10. So that means I will have 8s minus 10y equals 9. So I repeat my equation 1. So now multiply all this by 10. 10 times 3, 30s. So like that. So 10 times 3, 30s minus 10 times 1, because it's 1 you have there. 10y is equals to 10 times 2, 20. So this is equation 3. Now you can now use the elimination method. So subtract both equations. So if you are subtracting now, 30 minus 8, so we have 22. So this is 22x, that is 30 minus 8, 22. Now minus 10y minus minus 10y, minus times minus plus, minus 10y plus 10y is 0. Now 20 minus 9, so that is 11. So that means x is equals to 11 over 22. So s is equals to 1 over 2. Now that we know s, we can know our y. So from equation 2 is 3s minus y is equals to 2. So here y is equals to 3s minus 2, that is, take this y to this place and s and 2 to the other side. So now y is equals to 3 brackets 1 over 2 minus 2 over 1, because s is 1 over 2. So y is equals to 3 over 2 minus 2 over 1. Y equals LCM is 2. So 2 into 1. 1 times 3, 3. Minus 1 into 2. 2 times 2, 4. So y is minus 1 over 2. So we have solved our s and y. So s is 1 over 2. Y is minus 1 over 2. But remember, from beginning, we represent our s and y to be something. So we said let 1 over a to be equals to x, remember, and 1 over b to be equals to y. So now replace it. So 1 over a equals x, s is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2. So cross multiply here. So we have a is equals to 2. And 1 over b is equals to minus 1 over 2. Cross multiply again. Minus b is equals to 2. So therefore a equals to 2 and b equals to minus 2. So that is the final answer. You can put it back in your equation. You must get the same, as in the equation must be the same. If it is not the same, then something is wrong with the equation. So like that.